Hi, welcome to Camlish.com. I'm teacher Emmy and I'm going to be your teacher in learning the English language easily. The title of our book is Classroom English. This is a practical guide to teaching English through English. Okay, let's now start our new discussion. Okay, so our discussion will start here on lesson number 18, and the topic is having students straighten up the classroom. Okay, this time, having students straighten up the classroom. Okay, so let's try to see the teacher's language. Let's read. Before we start, we need to straighten up the room. Let's line up our desks. Can someone erase the board? Please pick up all the things on the floor. That looks really nice. Okay, so to understand it better, let's try to see the dialogue part here below. Okay, you can see here. Alright, so the dialogue starts with the teacher speaking, and let's read. Before we start, we need to straighten up the room. Okay, first, let's line up our desks. They're not even. And then, the students line up the desks. So this is what the students did, okay? And then the teacher said again, can someone erase the board? Okay, so a student raises his or her hand, and the student said, I can. Teacher, okay, thank you. Now please pick up all the things on the floor. Okay, let's continue the dialogue on the next page. Okay, so the students pick up the things on the floor. And the teacher said, great, that looks really nice. Okay, let's get started. Okay, now let's study the other expressions this time. You can see here. Number 1, before we start, we need to straighten up the room. So the teacher could also say, let's start by making the room neat. Another one is, before getting started, we're going to straighten up the room. Okay, so did you understand that? Now let's go to the question. Number 2, can someone erase the board? Could somebody please erase the board? Another one is, would someone erase the board for us? Okay, and then number 3, please pick up all the things on the floor. Okay, the teacher could also say, let's pick up all the things on the floor. Another one, this is like the question form of it. Could you pick up all the things on the floor? Another question here, why don't we pick up all the things on the floor? Okay, so did you understand the discussion about the other expressions? Now you can see here below the Korean translation of the dialogue that we've just read, so to give you an idea about it if you don't understand some parts of it. Okay, so you can read this part first. Okay, now let us go to the next page. Okay, and let's read its part. Straightening up other items. Okay, so let's read first one. We need to straighten up the bookshelf. Next one, please empty the waste basket. Okay, next, put the cassette recorder or CD player where it goes. Okay, now next one, move the chairs where they should be. Okay, and last one, put away the things on your desk that you don't need right now. Okay, so that's it. Now let's try to go on to the next lesson. Alright, lesson number 19 now, and the topic is ending the class. Okay, so you can see here below the teacher's language. Let's start reading. Let's stop here. That's all for today. Goodbye, everyone. See you tomorrow. And the student's language is goodbye. Okay, let's try to see that in a dialogue form so we can understand it better. You can see your dialogue. At the end of the class, the teacher said, "Okay, let's stop here. That's all for today. Goodbye, everyone. See you tomorrow." And then the students replied, "Goodbye." Okay, so that's very easy. It's very short, so you can understand it easily. Okay, now let's try to see the next page. Let's study the other expressions this time. So for number 1, when teacher said, "Let's stop here," the teacher could also say, "I'll stop here now." "We have to stop here." "I think we'll stop here." Or "Let's wrap it up now." Okay, so this 4 sentence means the same one. The same thing as this one, okay? Number 2 now. "That's all for today," or "That's it for today." Another one is "That'll do it for today." Okay? Last, number 3, "See you tomorrow." "Take care, everyone," or "I'll see you tomorrow." It just means the same, okay? So you can also check again the Korean translation of the dialogue that we've just read. Alright, so that's it for our lesson for this video. Thank you for listening. Again, I'm Teacher Emmy. See you in our next video lesson. Goodbye.